time knee-wise, we want to start in a slightly flexed position, especially for medials. Certainly that's where your medial ligament is a little bit tighter compared to a flexed or an extended position. So either get them to stand on beds, or if you're working pitch side, then get them to stand on the ground. Don't get them to stand on your portable plinth because they'll go through it. So again, anchor. So follow the contours of the limb. Make sure you're not cutting off any blood flow by being too tight. I'm just going to come around the other side. So medially, there's a few ways that you can do it, but typically you're basically trying to create a bit of a cross across the medial side, okay, and basically just try and protect that valgus force from injuring the medial ligament, or protecting that medial ligament if they've had an injury. For someone who's big, I might use the 50 centimetre.
Millimetre?
Sorry, what did I say? 50 mil, not 50 centimetre. Or you can use 38s. So 38s you might have to do a little bit more, but typically I'll do 3, maybe 4 of these, laying on, not too tight. Now, if they're coming back from a medial ligament or they've got a significant sprain, I might do a couple of straight ones, just straight down. But I normally just do the cross.
So mechanically, when we cross across that joint line, that lets it flex and extend.
But it's going to protect that force from coming from this side and stressing inside, okay? So that's a pretty quick and easy medial ligament, and then just lock it all off. Hold all those strips down. For knees, I will generally overwrap, just because knees are a bit more open and out in the breeze and potentially got room for that tape to sort of tear and rip, and then you've got to redo it at half time. So I'll generally just overwrap that with a 75mm elastic tape, and you're just basically just wrapping it up, figure of 8 sort of style. Around you go. Round we go. As much as you sort of need to. Now, it will feel pretty tight, but you should be able to still flex and extend to a degree, but it's going to protect that valgus force. Obviously you can do it the other side for lateral ligaments. You'll see guys that will have both done, and then you'll see guys strap the uninjured leg.